Hey friends, it's Tom Graham here and welcome to your brand new channel dedicated to all things video creation. Now, if you love making great videos, learning pro editing techniques and getting creative, then hit subscribe because you, my friend, are in the right place. Here you're going to find everything from in-depth tutorials on tools like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve and After Effects to tips and tricks that'll help elevate your video editing game. We'll be covering a wide range of topics from color grading to VFX to motion graphics and beyond. And don't worry, whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to continue that learning journey, we've got videos tailored just for you. Now, one of the best parts about this channel is going to be you, the community. We want to hear from you, so let us know what tutorials you'd like to see, what challenges you're currently facing in your work, and what trends you're excited about in content creation. Your feedback will help us create content that's relevant and useful for you. Plus, we're going to feature some guest creators and experts along the way to bring even more diverse insights and perspectives to the channel. So if you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, hit that subscribe button, check out our latest uploads, leave us a like or two, and let's get this journey started together. Welcome to Envato Video. Let's go tell some stories.